What's going on, guys? Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks here with another large project for you. We are doing full PPF on this G-Wagon. We're doing that in Llumar Platinum. We had to do minor disassembly. It's a lot better than they used to be with the G-Wagons, so you don't have to go as crazy with the disassembly. So we remove the corner lights, we do all the door handles, the mirrors, windshield wipers, and the rear tire on the back. Other than that, that's really all that has to come apart. We do have a couple of how-to videos coming on the way to the YouTube channel on how to take off the door panels and the mirrors. Other than that, this customer opted to do ceramic coating for all the wheels and brake calipers. He also got ceramic tints on the front two windows as well as the windshield to decrease the UV intake and the heat intake. That is all done in Geoshield Ceramic Plus. And then other than that, I will go ahead and give you some footage of us doing the work. have it, guys. We've got a fully wrapped, never mind. All right, guys. There you have it. We've got a fully wrapped 2026 Mercedes G63. We did all the disassembly, door handles, mirror caps, door cards, took the spare wheel off to get full coverage over everything. We've used Llumar Platinum Plus, which is a 10-year paint protection film. It has its own self-healing top coat as well as a ceramic top coat. And then I went ahead and I did ceramic coating on all of the wheels as well as the brake calipers with CarPro UK.